Crazy Creative Kitchen. As usual, we encourage you to like, share, subscribe. Today I'm gonna make for you a weird dish. Today I'm gonna teach you how to cook chicken feet. So when you cook chicken feet, the first thing you want to do is give it a little manicure. You want to take the nails off. So you take the nails off, you add your seasoning. We added garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and chicken spice with a little extra virgin olive oil. So you do that, season your chicken, put your flame on, and now we're ready to go chicken feet. So we put some oil in the pan. After we put some oil in the pan, we're gonna add chicken feet. And chicken feet is very famous amongst Spanish, Haitian people, Jamaican people, African, and Southern Americans. So usually you'd pass it in the store wondering what's going on here. But today we're gonna be cooking chicken feet. It looks weird, it tastes good. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna brown our chicken feet. So we're gonna brown them off in oil. We're gonna leave them in the pan, turn the flame down, and we're gonna go chop up some condiments. So we're gonna chop up some onions, some scallion, some thyme, some green pepper, and we're gonna chop those up. Then we're gonna come back and add those. By the time we're finished cutting these up, it's gonna be time to add it to our chicken feet. So right now we're just cutting up our condiments. So we're chopping up our green peppers. We're gonna chop up our green peppers, and then we're gonna go back to our chicken feet. And as always, drop me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about chicken feet. Let me know if you've ever had it, if you ever seen it in the stores. Let me know what's your chicken feet experience. Crazy Creative Kitchen. Just like, share, or subscribe. And if you haven't checked out my KFC video, please do, because that video is my KFC chicken and donut sandwich. So see, now our chicken feet are brown. I said chicken feet. Now our chicken feet are all browned up, so we're gonna add our condiments. After we add our condiments, we're gonna just cover it, let that sweat for a while, and then we're gonna add some hot water. So now we've added our hot water, it's boiling. We're gonna just let that reduce for like 15 minutes, then we're gonna check on it. So that's that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some soy sauce, and then we're gonna add a little bit of browning. So we add our soy sauce. Now we're gonna add a little bit of browning. We're gonna give it a quick mix, and then we're gonna let that reduce again. So now our chicken feet is almost done. Now it's ready. You can see it's starting to leave the bones. We're gonna do a quick demonstration, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you need further instruction, look in the description below. Leave me a comment. Give me a huge thumbs up. Crazy Creative Kitchen. Chicken feet.